Hello students, in our previous class we learned about factor theorem, its proof and its one of its application. Okay. In this class we will learn also the application of factor theorem. So in this class first of all we will learn how a quadratic polynomial will be the factor of the cubic polynomial. Okay. So before doing this proof, we will prove by long division method uh, that quadratic polynomial how became the factor of the cubic polynomial. Okay. So here we have a problem, that is we have to prove by factor theorem 2x square minus x minus 3 will be the factor of this polynomial 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus 12. So before prove this problem by factor theorem, we have to prove this by long division method. Okay, that is not your examining view. That means in your examination you have to prove this only by factor theorem. But as a learning view, first of all we have to prove this by long division method. Okay, so let us study how we can prove this by long division method. 2x square minus x minus 3. This is 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus 12. So to get 2x cube, we have to multiply this 2x square by x. 2x square into x will give 2x cube. That is why in the quotient there will be x. So after multiplying we have 2x cube minus x square minus 3x, and after subtracting we have minus 2x cube plus x square plus 3x. Then we can easily cancel these x cubes, 2x cubes, then minus 9x square plus x square will give minus 8x square, plus x plus 3x will give plus 4x, and then plus 12. Now to get minus 8x square, we have to multiply this 2x square by minus 4. Sorry. When we want to minus 8x square, then we have to multiply this 2x square by minus 4. Okay. So we have minus 8x square. So in the quotient there will be minus 4. So minus 8x square plus 4x plus 12. After subtracting we have plus 8x square minus 4x minus 12. We can easily cancel all of this and 0 becomes the remainder. So 2x square minus x minus 3 becomes the factor of the polynomial 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus 12. So by long division method we prove 2x square minus x minus 3 becomes a factor of this polynomial 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus 12. Okay. Now we will study how we can prove this by factor theorem. Okay. So before applying factor theorem, solution. So before applying factor theorem, first of all we have to factorize this 2x square minus x minus 3. Here the linear and quadratic both terms of the variable x are present. So we can apply middle term factorization. Already we know how we can factorize a polynomial by middle term factorization. In our last or previous videos, we learned how we can factorize middle term factorization. Okay. So by that application of middle term factorization, we can factorize this polynomial. So we have to bring 1. So to get 1, we have to multiply the coefficient of the square term, that is 2, and the constant term, that is 3, excluding its sign. We have 6. Then we have two factors of 6 are as 2 and 3, whose difference will give 1. So 3 minus 2 will give 1. So we have 2x square minus of 3 minus 2 whole into x minus 3. 2x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 3. From the first two term, we have x as a common factor, and after taking x, we have 2x minus 3 as rest of the term, and from the last two term, 1 is plus 1 is a common factor. So we have 1 into 2x minus 3, and from these two we have 2x minus 3 as a whole common factor, and the rest of the term becomes x plus 1. Okay. So after factorizing 2x square minus x minus 3, we have 2x minus 3 into x plus 1. Now if we prove x plus 1 and 2x minus 3 are the factors of the polynomial f of x equals to 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus 12, where we let the given polynomial as f of x. So now if we prove x plus 1 and 2x minus 3 are the factors of the polynomial f of x equals to 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus 12, then we can say that 2x square minus x minus 3 is the factor of the polynomial f of x. Okay. So first of all, individually we have to prove x plus 1 and 2x minus 3 are the factors of this polynomial f of x. So to prove this, first of all we have to find f of minus 1 and f of 3 by 2. So if we prove f of minus 1 equals to 0 and f of 3 by 2 equals to 0, then by the factor theorem we can say that x plus 1 and 2x minus 3 are the factors of the polynomial f of x. Okay. So let us find f of minus 1 and f of 3 by 2. So therefore, f of minus 1 is equals to 2 into minus 1 whole cube minus 9 into minus 1 whole square plus into minus 1 plus 12. This will give 2 into minus 1 minus 9 into plus 1 plus means minus 1 plus 12. This will give minus 2 minus 9 minus 1 plus 12. That is minus 12 plus 12. It gives 0. And f of 3 by 2 equals to 2 into 3 by 2 whole cube minus 9 into 3 by 2 whole square plus into 3 by 2 plus 12. This will give 2 into 27 by 8 minus 9 into 9 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 12. We can cancel these 2 and 8, and after cancelling we have 27 by 4 minus 81 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 12. This is 4. 27 minus 81, we will give minus 54 plus 3 by 2 plus 12. Minus 27 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 12. So this will give minus 27 by 2 plus 3 by 2 will give minus 24 by 2 plus 12. So this becomes minus 12 plus 12, that is equals to 0. So this will imply x plus 1 and 2x minus 3 are the factors of the polynomial f of x. Implies that their product, the product of x plus 1 and 2x minus 3, that is 2x square minus x minus 3 is also a factor of the polynomial f of x. Proved. So this is the procedure by which we can prove this quadratic polynomial be the factor of this cubic polynomial. Okay. So now we can take some note. if we prove x minus a, x minus b, x minus c are the factors of a cubic or if we prove x minus a, x minus b, x minus c are the factors of a cubic or more degree polynomial, then their product, that is x minus a into x minus b into x minus c, will also be the factor of that polynomial. Okay, so this is the note that describes that if the linear polynomials x minus a, x minus b, x minus c are the factors of a cubic or more degree polynomial, then their product is also a factor of that polynomial. Okay. Now we will take the application of factor theorem. That is, here is a problem. We have to find the value of a when this polynomial 2x cube plus ax square plus 11x plus a plus 3 is exactly divisible by this polynomial 2x minus 1. So this polynomial is exactly divisible by 2x minus 1 means 2x minus 1 is a factor of this cubic polynomial. Okay. So here we can apply factor theorem to find the value of a. Solution. By the problem, two x minus 1 by the problem 2x cube plus ax square plus 11x plus a plus 3 is exactly divisible by 2x minus 1 represents that two x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial two x cube plus ax square plus 11x plus a plus 3. Okay. So by the problem 2x cube plus ax square plus 11x plus a plus 3 is exactly divisible by 2x minus 1 represents that 2x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial 2x cube plus ax square plus 11x plus a plus 3. Okay. So we can use the factor theorem here. That means when 2x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, then we have the remainder 0. That is why now we let f of x equals to this given quadratic polynomial 2x cube plus ax square plus 11x plus a plus 3. Since 2x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial f of x, therefore by factor theorem we have f of half equals to 0, since 2x minus 1 is equals to 2 into x minus of half, and comparing x minus half with x minus alpha, we have alpha equals to half. This part of this problem we learned in our factor theorem videos. So f of half equals to 0 imply 2 into half whole cube plus a into half whole square plus 11 into half plus a plus 3 equals to 0. So this implies 2 into 1 by 8 plus a into 1 by 4 plus 11 by 2 plus a plus 3 equals to 0. 4 to the 8. So this will give 1 by 4 plus a by 4 plus 11 by 2 plus a plus 3 equals to 0. Now the LCM of 4, 4 and 2 is 4. So we have 1 plus a plus 11 to the 22 plus 4a plus 12 equals to 0. This is a plus 4a will give 5a. 1 plus 22, 23 plus 12, 35 whole divided by 4 equals to 0. So after cross multiplying we have 5a plus 35 equals to 0, because 0 into 4 is 0. So 5a equals to minus 35. This will give a equals to minus 35 by 5. It will give 7. So a equals to minus 7. This is the answer. So this is the application of factor theorem, which help us to find the value of a when this polynomial 2x cube plus ax square plus 11x plus a plus 3 is exactly divisible by 2x minus 1. Okay.